So, excellent. Back and making my grandson's birthday cake the night I got home.
Wow.
I mean, I would like to tell people about it because I wouldn't have known about it, which is, we did mention it to the consultant, but he vaguely had heard about it, but not enough to recommend it. The same with my GP. She didn't know anything about it at all and said it's probably best to go for surgery. But I'd already made up my mind to go with this. So it would be great if people knew that this is so straightforward and your recovery time is so rapid and you can just get on with your life. Because basically not having any recovery pain, I mean, you just don't feel anything. You wake up and you're fine, which is amazing.
Having been through it and seen how quick the procedure is, and comparing that to full surgery, it seems a no-brainer. And if I was talking to anyone about growths in the colon, the lesions, then I would definitely recommend recommend it and make sure people didn't know about this as an option, because it is so much better than full surgery.
Since your operation, we've now have this available in Wales, so that would be more in your locality. Would you see that as an advantage to people?
Oh, definitely, definitely, especially if GPs and local consultants are made aware that this is an option. You know, it would be a great benefit for people locally. We did have to travel, well worth it, but we did have to travel. But to have the option locally, for example, if Jim ever needed anything, you know, or anybody I knew, I mean, I would just say, go for this, because yeah, it was great, and Dr. Zach was